Finally made it back to the property to show you the final products of what I was making. These the big boys. Final product. I didn't get to take a picture of it early, but this is them. You can tell somebody been down here looking at this one because they ain't shut it down. There you go. Yep. And these are the other ones. I finished this one. Remember the one, the high stack, the burn box to the side. This is the other one. That one in the back was one I've been made. And this here is the other two. So far, everything that I made sold except this one here, the stand-up one I showed you, and the one in the back here. That's a regular charcoal grill. But that's them. They all for sale, ready to go. Don't they look good? God is good for the gift that he give us. This is Jacob. Peace to the soldiers. God bless everybody. Peace.